Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. So let's go to our daily analysis. As you know, we're going to do US oil, NASDAQ 100, US30, and the Euro USD, and also gold. So let's see here. I will just start with NASDAQ. Since it's Monday, guys, I think things can be a little bit slower, but it's fine. What do we see here? This is a 4-hour time frame, guys. I think on a 4-hour time frame you can see things much better. But what I see here, I see that there is a very obviously you can see we had this breakout here. Let me use a different color. Yeah, you've seen that we had a breakout retest. The market went up, boom. Here it was NFP, and NFP just went lower and lower. So here there is an area, you see this area, it's a 4-hour time frame where we can say, okay, that is our support at the moment. That is our support at the moment. Even if maybe I try to go to a bit smaller time frame, we'll see that, okay, this is a very nice support. So we can rely on that. You see, we can just rely on that. Then the market can keep going higher. You see, I don't think maybe that effect will continue even now. I think the market, it's time for the market to push higher and higher. Why? If you still remember, we just broke above this resistance, which means now we're just looking for a very nice opportunity to buy. And we buy when the market goes down. Then when the market pushes higher, it's where we can say, now we can buy, guys, you see. So, and that is what I see at the moment. So we don't have to complicate things here. So what I see is we have a very nice support around here where we can have a very nice buy. So we can just go to a bit smaller time frame and see. Let's start with 2 hours. Um, or let me just use like 1 hour. On an 1 hour time frame, let's do this as an, yeah, you see. So I'm going to take this and place it here. You can see that this is a nice area, guys. Now you see that we had this breakout. Now it's a retest here, and you can see that with several candlesticks, even now that it's happening. So it means we can have some nice buy positions around this area going higher. Or maybe you want to check again and say, maybe Kenzo, where can we buy, because the market already moved away from this support. I can say, okay, let's add something, maybe a resistant line, if maybe that can work. Let's see, where can we connect them? We need to connect them here, or maybe around this area, going lower. If that makes sense, then we can call that a very simple, straightforward resistance, that if the market breaks that, we can say now it's time for us to do what? To sell. Something like this. Let me just use 15 minutes. I just want to see this thing very nicely. Let's see. Actually, I'm looking for most where the market like really connected with so many candlesticks. Yeah, I think this way I see something. I hope you see that. You see this, the market was just respecting this area, guys. You can see that, and the candlesticks really respected that. But here we have a very small breakout. It means you can wait. Let me just zoom that. Yeah, we can wait for a smaller retest, but I think we are still very close to our support where we can just say the market has to retest. I think if you buy this, you can just hold maybe until maybe later when the market opens. I think the market can still push higher because we are very close to our support. Plus, this was a very nice wedge, and that is broken. Maybe here it's a retest. Maybe we'll see the market going higher. You see. So yeah, I think on gold, on NASDAQ, we see things that way. Mm, maybe let's say if things don't go the way we say at the moment, what do we expect then? If maybe, or what do we do? If the market breaks this support again, let's say it breaks this support, we'll expect the market to respect this area, which was a resistance before. Now it's going to be our support. But if it keeps going lower, it means the market will be back on a bearish momentum again. It's where maybe you can say now it's time to have some nice sells. But at the moment, since we are still above the resistance, we're still on bullish, so I don't see any chance that I can say now it's time to sell. You see. Okay, so let's go straight to US30. US30, US30. While I'm still opening US30, guys, think it's a very nice time for you to watch, to do, to subscribe, guys. Thanks to everyone who already subscribed. So here we have US30, guys. Let me just remove this. We have US30, and we were like, the market just broke that resistance. You see, the market broke the resistance. This was just sort of a retest, but look what happened. The market is now going lower again. So it means we have to make sure that we draw our things perfectly, so that if we see this was a fake breakout or something, let's draw something. Yeah, since we are still uh, below this resistance, it means the market can just, it's bearish, but maybe we have something here where we can say maybe the market can bounce from. As we see here, we have like several candlesticks, but when there's things are like this, market just broke, came back again, we just have to see if this market really it's now respecting this resistance, or maybe it's a fake moves where maybe the market will just change direction. Maybe the market will keep going higher. We don't know that. So it means we just have to wait for the market to give us those clear, very, very clear structure. Or if we just force, we're going to pay for that. So let me try and see if maybe this can connect. I think this can really connect. You see that? But since you are under this resistance, sometimes it's very scary, because if maybe you enter, the market can keep going lower if it respects that. But here it seems like we have a very nice uptrend. So it means, yeah, maybe the market can still push higher. As I see now, it's really pushing up. So yeah, it means this can be our next what? Next support. Since you see, look what happened here, you see. So this can be our very nice support, but at the moment, just wait and see what will happen. It's still Monday, guys. Sometimes Mondays like this, we don't just rush into market. We wait for the market to give us some nice stuff, you see, some nice structure where we can say, okay, now it's time for us to just wait and see what will happen. Just give yourself that time. Or if you just rush, then you are in trouble, because you'll always be in the trades. So chances are you're going to win some and you're still going to lose some. So we don't really want to lose that much, even if we can avoid that. But what I see here, I see a very nice structure. This can be like this, something like that. I think we're supposed to take this one, but it's fine. We'll see what happens. So let's go straight to gold. Guys, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Um, don't forget to smash it. Look what happened on gold. Gold is coming back, guys. Gold is bound. Yo, 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 yo. This was like a very crazy move. Like really, really crazy. Look what happened. Last week, just last week, we were here. But with that NFP, just look at this move. So this is big. So it means, and look here, this was my support. So I think this happened like, yeah, I think before the market opened. yeah, I think on Friday, so we had some crazy move like this. I think I saw the market was here, if I still remember. So it means the market really crashed. So now the market is trying to come back. So can we rush into the market and start to buy here? Uh, I don't really know that, but because we have something like a support here, it means that can be a resistance. It can keep this gold to keep going lower, but we don't have to rush. We can just try to use a bit smaller time frame and see. Let's go on an hour and see if maybe we have a very nice structure. Is this 1 hour? Okay. Yeah, we can see that we have a very nice bullish, so we can just wait for the market to come back above here because we missed it here. So yeah, but even here we never knew that the market was going to bounce here because this structure might be was maybe sometimes something like this. So you don't have to rush. Sometimes these recoveries you can miss them uh, because there's no exact structure that you can follow, you see. But what we can do is we can just wait for the market. If it comes back here, we can just buy it. Maybe we can hold up to, yeah, it can be like a swing trade where we can just hold up to like 1840, you see. But at the moment, I will just have to avoid gold. These crazy moves, they're not really safe. So it means we have to wait for a very nice structure. Unless if you are an aggressive trader, you can just take a trade hoping that the market will reach here. So but without the nice structure, I don't think that will help, you see. So yeah, I think my analysis on gold is to avoid everything for today, or maybe wait for a nice structure then that you can follow, not just because the market crashed then you say no, it's obvious that the market will just recover and then you just enter there. That is wrong. Still follow whatever that you follow to trade, you see. So let's go sorry. Let's go straight to US oil. US oil today, it seems like we fast, so we don't have to spend much time on one thing. US oil is also crashing, but I like it because now it seems like, oh, already, yeah. Now, yeah, let me show you that. Now we are on our support. Do you see that? Do you see that? I think maybe you still remember I talked about this on my weekly analysis, even on my daily analysis on Friday, Thursday. I think I was talking about this area. So this area, guys, is like really strong, but we don't know. It can also be broken. I can see it's still going lower even now. So let's start with a 4-hour time frame and see. So actually here, if you don't want to miss this move, actually you can just have some nice pending orders around there. If the market goes crazy around here, then your order will be there. But don't forget to place your stop loss, guys. So let's see what we can get. Since we are on that support, guys, it means it's up to us to wait for the market to give us maybe some bullish momentum when, or let me just use 1 hour, because already we are on that we are already on that support, so which is a very good thing because we've been waiting. Let's see. Yeah, let's try to draw our trend line and see if maybe we can get something, because the market was just downtrending for some time now. No, no, no. This won't work now. But since we are on, since we are on that support, we just have to wait for something to show us that now I'm bouncing back. But if not, we just have to place maybe our buy pending order around these zones. If that bounce back, then we will be here waiting for it to bounce back, because I don't think maybe it will just crash forever. I think the market can just bounce back and maybe we can have some nice trades. This one we have to take, but not like instant market execution, but maybe a pending order. That can also work, you see. So yeah, my overview here is this can push back why we have a very strong support for some time now. So unless if that is broken, we can keep selling US oil. But at the moment, no, I see some nice bullish momentum. Sorry, sorry, I said some bullish momentum. No, I see that we are on a support where we can say maybe now it's time to think again and say maybe now the market can push higher. You see. So let's go straight to Euro USD and see what's really happening. Euro USD. Euro USD. Guys, if you want to be in the group, my group, check my description, check my Telegram group where you will find some nice information. Then if you want to be in the group, you will let me know. If you want a system, it's still the $5. Yeah, everything that you want, you can get. So here, what can we do here? What I see is we had this nice bearish momentum and we had this breakout. Now the market is back again. So what do we do from this? I think it's time to draw a new one. We had no choice. We have to draw another one. This one is not really helping at the moment. So it means we have to see what we can get with the new trend lines that we can do. Let's go from here. Connect. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's cut some candlesticks. Yeah, I think I see something like this, guys. That can also make sense. I think maybe we did this one more. Whatever that we drawn last week, I think that was an inner support because we drawn something like here, but the market was really respecting that. So when the market pushed up, when we say it was a breakout, actually the market came back and respect this level here, and which this level was no longer there since from here. So that's why maybe we never drawn something like that. But now as we draw, we see that okay, actually the market was just respecting the previous resistance. Actually we are on still on a bearish momentum. I hope you can see that. Let me make this auto. Yeah, I hope you can see that. So it means we are back, or actually we never went, the market never changed. It seems like the market was still respecting the same resistance that we had few weeks or few months ago. Yeah, few weeks ago. So it means we are on a bearish momentum. Then we have to forget about this resistance that we had. This was a inner, so it's fine. So it means now we think about these ones. Now we are under bearish. So whatever that we think, we should think about selling Euro USD, you see. But at the moment, I don't think maybe there is a very aggressive moves. What we can check here, we also have something like a support that you can also draw there. Maybe let me just draw that for you so that you understand what I'm talking about. Here we have this nice area. You see that? You can, let me use a smaller so that you can see that, okay, the market was really respecting that. You can see that this area, the market really played around there. Maybe this might be a wedge, or maybe the market will can keep going lower and lower. Why? We are still under bearish, so it means we have to think about only selling only, so that we can just follow the trend, don't go against the trend. So I think, yeah, everything's fine here. So yeah, you can just call it a day. Today actually is a day to analyze. Make your plan, guys, before you even trade. Thanks, guys. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Bam.